And I'm going to do the F30i. I'm sorry, the F30, not the F30i. These are all Resmed masks. Resmed doesn't like to change their names a whole heck of a lot, and so they do get a little confusing. You'll notice, similar to the F20 on this mask, you've got a quick release where it's going to be hooked in here. You can squeeze that and release it right there. It's just going to snap into place there. As far as fitting goes, I always like to get, I call these half masks because they don't go up and over your nose bridge like some of the other full face masks of the past or the F20. But I always put this, my nose in first, make sure I get a very good meld on my nose, and then pull the headgear up and over. This should sit back a little bit farther. I'm going to adjust this. It's a little tight. As far as the F30 goes, make sure everything's lined up. So you want to make sure the headgear's not tilted to one side. If one side is, and the way that it should fit is on the sides, these should be about a thumb's distance away from the top. If they're not, if they're sitting on your ears, they're going to kind of rub a sore spot in your ears. The way to adjust that is the top strap. Gently snug it down. Again, make sure the headgear's in the right spot, and it's about a thumb's distance away from your ears. You have these top adjustments. I think I've got one that's a little bit more off to the side of the other. Make sure they're pretty even there. Same thing down here. Now, if you get a mask leak, same thing with any other mask, push it in and adjust all 4 straps. Switch hands and adjust the other 2 straps. This will come off here. It'll roll off, and then you can pull this off to pull it off there. Again, make sure to get a good nose meld there. If you're getting a lot of leakage up by your nose, what you can do is hit stop, or actually let the pressure go, take the magnets off, pull it down, and reseat it to make sure. A lot of times that soft membrane will roll up in there and you'll get kind of a leak out the side. As far as cleaning and disassembly, I'd gone over the elbow there. Wash the elbow out once a week, warm soapy water. If you hold the frame on this, and sometimes you can even hold the headgear, but I put my thumb and I'm pulling back this way when I do it. It's going to pull off there. This one's a little tricky. It's not as easy as some of the other masks to get on. And you do want, when you're putting it back on, I'm pushing here with my thumb. Basically doing a reverse. Make sure it's even and give it a push. Sometimes it clicks, sometimes it doesn't, but I'm gently pulling back and it's not coming off there. So it's in there pretty well. Wash that cushion as close to daily as you can. Again, I like taking it in the shower, washing it. You can do a CPAP wipe on it, but you do want to get most of the oils off on that